The love hidden between the folds of letters. Arnab and Ishita were students at the same university. They had never spoken directly to each other. But there was a special rule in the old university library, the rule of the secret letter notebook. Anyone could write down their thoughts or feelings and leave them between the pages of that notebook. And anyone else could read them and, if they wished, write a reply. One day, without even realizing it, Arnab wrote, "The sky looks deeply blue today. But somewhere within that blue, there hides a sense of emptiness. If someone can feel it, I'll know I'm not alone." 2 days later, another message appeared on the page. Even the emptiness of the blue sky is beautiful, because within it, thousands of dreams are flying. Maybe you just haven't found them yet. From that day on, began a strange journey. Without revealing their names or identities, they continued to converse through letters in the notebook every day. They shared laughter, sorrow, dreams, and fears, all tucked within the folds of those written pages. But there was one rule. No one would ever reveal who they were. Days turned into months. Finally, the last day of university arrived. Arnab wrote one final letter. "If you truly exist, come today under the old banyan tree in the evening. I'll be waiting with a blue book in my hand." As the evening breeze flowed, Arnab's heart beat faster. Inside the blue book he held, there was a single blank white letter. Just then, Ishita appeared beneath the banyan tree. In her hand was an old, torn page from that same secret notebook. Their eyes met, and in that silent moment, they both realized something profound. Love is not only in what we see or hear. It often hides within the unseen folds of words.